I'm walking the halls looking for a win. I see a little guy with a nervous grin. He's holding a map, he's holding the keys to a kingdom of ice and the frozen seas. He's small and he's quiet, he's out of his depth. I'm counting the riches with every breath. He thinks that it's his, well that's a mistake. There's a massive piece of the world at stake. I see the manifest destiny written in the stars. I'm reaching for the gold, I'm breaking the bars. It's not just a want, it's a total demand. I'm putting my shadow all over his land, 'cause he's the easy mark, and I want the prize. I can see the sold sign right in his eyes. Yeah, Denmark's the kid with a thing that I needed. I'm the big player with the hunger and greed. I'm calling the shots, I'm making the spark, and everyone knows he's just the easy mark. Think of the resources, think of the oil waiting for me in the subarctic soil. Think of the manifest destiny. It's a brand new day, and I'm the only one who can pay the way. I'll be bringing home a big prize to the people back home. They'll cheer for the king on his golden throne. Why keep a treasure you can't even hold? Give it to the guy who is brave and bold. He says he's not for sale, but I don't hear a word. The whispers of the weak are never really heard. I've got the muscle, I've got the fame. I'm rewriting the map, I'm changing the name. The easy mark gets all mine for the taking. Big prize, big resources, just a kid in the way.